Hello guys
and girls,
welcome to today's video. We saw on social media that Cullinan was a finalist for Town of the Year in the Quella Town of the Year competition, so we thought we'd take a drive out here and come and see for ourselves what this town has to offer.
Yeah, Cullinan is 30 minutes east of Pretoria and it was established in 1903, so let's go and check it out.
Yeah, join us for this adventure. We are now here in the famous Oak Avenue where all the shops and the coffee shops and the jewelry stores are located, so we're going to take a stroll down the street and show you what we find.
You can also book mine tours here, so if you're interested in checking out the mine, support them.
If you like it, put a ring on it.
coffee and cake person, maybe try Adventure Zone for the adrenaline rush.
Yes, they offer quad bike rides, zip lining, they have a big zip line, archery and all kinds of other sports for you and the family to enjoy for a day out. So come and support the local shops here. How old is this hotel?
Built in 1905.
Holy smokes, that's 119 years old.
Yep, there might be a ghost rubbing your back while you're sleeping here.
The hotel also has a very nice public restaurant where you can come and sit and eat breakfast, lunch and dinner. Amazing service and great food.
Cullinan Mine Pit Lookout.
Yes, the open pit is a kilometer in length, 500 meters in width and 400 meters deep.
The Cullinan kimberlite was discovered in 1902 and in 1903 open pit mining commenced, but the biggest diamond was only found in 1905. That diamond is currently in the beautiful crown of the Queen of England.
We're gonna close out this video in front of this beautiful old building that is now occupied by the bank. I think we definitely agree with the nomination for Town of the Year for Cullinan.
Last fun fact, Cullinan is so small that it doesn't even have a robot.
That is pretty insane. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.